Hey guys, this is Robert, and here is a watch case for Apple Watch. It says it's 360 shockproof, shatter resistant, high quality. This should be the 45mm. A few things here. Case itself, no instructions, but it's how they want it. Okay, so I guess you clean your watch. Let me put it on. The wet wipes. Doesn't really feel wet to me. Oh, it does. Yeah, it doesn't feel wet. So yeah, it's not wet. And then you want to peel it off here. Just snap it on, like so. It's supposed to be fog resistant. So hopefully if I wash my hands, it doesn't go under. It's responsive. Alright. There you go. That's how you apply it. That's what it looks like. Toes for buttons. Rocker here. And that's it. If you're interested in this watch case, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support your channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.